4th of July. Woo! This is Fountain. Woo! Oh, there's over there too. I think it's on fire. Yeah, Dad, that's on fire. There's a lot of other fireworks going on at the moment. Let's see if you can try and catch some of them. What's that? Dad, what is that? That can't be an airplane though. It's like a flame. Like a floating lantern.
It could be.
Oh, that could be a floating lantern?
Awesome.
We have spotted a floating lantern or possibly a UFO. Where'd it go? Yeah, see that? That could be a UFO or floating lantern.
Definitely
We don't know.
I think you're right. I don't think it's a plane.
I'm always right sometimes. Okay, I'm sometimes right, but still. That actually looks like, you know what, Dad? That could actually be a UFO because of Miss Steinberg's class. Have you ever heard of the Warner Brothers incident? Still there. What the heck is that? What? Oh, so we already did all the Roman candles? Oh. Well, then once we get Zoe, we can maybe see if we can do more if Zoe's like not that tired. Cause I'm up for that. Not before the lap, people.